Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss important MCQs related to the 26th Amendment to the Constitution of Pakistan in such a way कि आपको MCQs के साथ साथ ये amendment भी समझ में आ जाए. What is the official name of the 26th Amendment to the Constitution of Pakistan? Constitution 26th Amendment Act 2024. How many clauses does the 26th Amendment contain? 27. When was the 26th Amendment passed by Parliament of Pakistan? Between 20 and 21 October 2024. What does the 26th Amendment remove from the Supreme Court? Suo motu prerogative. What is the tenure limit for the Chief Justice of Pakistan set by the amendment? 3 years. Who nominates the Chief Justice of Pakistan according to the 26th Amendment? Special Parliamentary Committee. Which new article declares the right to a clean and sustainable environment? Article 9A. What is the deadline set for abolishing riba under the amendment? January 2028. Where are the procedures for suo motu actions placed under the amendment? Judicial Committee. What happens if the Chief Election Commissioner's replacement is not notified? Remains in office. How did the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) respond during the voting on the amendment? Walked out. How many votes did the amendment bill receive in the Senate? 65 to 4. 65 were in favor and 4 were not in favor. How did the National Assembly vote on the amendment bill? 225 to 12. 225 voted in favor while 12 voted against the bill. What did the International Commission of Jurists (ICJ) call the amendment? Blow to judicial independence. On which date was the draft of the constitutional amendment approved by the Parliamentary Special Committee? 18 October 2024. Class 6 amends which article related to the most senior judge of the Constitutional Bench? Article 175A. Which article was amended by Class 8 regarding the retirement age? Article 179. Class 13 involves the insertion of which article regarding the constitutional benches of the Supreme Court? Article 191A. Class 18 substitutes which article related to the Supreme Judicial Council? Article 209. Class 22 amends which part of the Constitution? 4th schedule. How many amendments were included in the initial draft? 56. How many members are there in the Special Parliamentary Committee? 12. Who will nominate committee members according to the Class 3B? Parliamentary leaders. How many days before CJP retirement should the committee send its nomination? CJP means Chief Justice of Pakistan. 14 days. When the National Assembly is dissolved, who comprises the committee? Only Senate members. What is required for committee nominations to be valid under Class 3C? 2/3 majority. According to Class 3E, the committee's meetings are to be held in camera. The committee is required to maintain a record of proceedings. Article 68 prohibits discussion on judge conduct and duties. Under Clause 3G, the committee has authority to regulate its own rules. Clause 15, 16 and 17 of Article 175A are to be omitted. Clause 4 of Article 175A allows the JCP to, JCP means Judicial Commission of Pakistan, regulate its own procedures. The JCP's new responsibilities include assessing criteria for judge appointments. Clause 14 formerly indicated that JCP actions are immune to vacancy issues. Article 179 specifies that a Supreme Court judge holds office until age 65. The CJP's term will end after 3 years or upon resignation or age limit. The CJP will retire after 3 years regardless of superannuation age. यहाँ पर इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर कोई बंदा लेट सपोज 60 ईयर्स के एज में चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान बन जाता है और उसके 3 साल कंप्लीट हो जाता है तो सुपरएनुएशन एज जो उसका है वो 65 है, तो वो 65 का वेट नहीं करेगा बल्कि 63 ईयर्स में ही वो रिटायर हो जाएगा. Which article is modified to remove the Supreme Court's suo motu powers? Article 184. The Supreme Court can transfer cases from high courts under which article? Article 186A. The appeal fee in Article 185 has been raised from 50,000 rupees to 1 million rupees. इससे पहले सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अगर कोई अपील करता तो उसकी जो फ़ी होती थी वो 50,000 यानी 50,000 रुपये होती थी. अब वो 50,000 से बढ़ा के 10 लाख कर दी गई. The new clause added to Article 187 specifies that orders cannot be passed without jurisdiction vested in the SC. Which article removes the High Court's suo motu powers? Article 199. Constitutional benches in the Supreme Court are established under which article? Article 191A. According to Article 191A, the presiding judge of constitutional benches is the most senior judge. Which jurisdiction is exclusively exercised by SC constitutional benches under Article 191A? Original jurisdiction under Article 184. Article 191A mandates a minimum of how many judges on a bench to hear certain matters? 5 judges. Pending petitions under Clause 2 of Article 191A will be transferred to constitutional benches. Judges nominated under Article 191A have authority to make rules for constitutional benches. What is the purpose of Article 202A? To establish constitutional benches in high courts. Who nominates the judges for the constitutional benches? The Judicial Commission of Pakistan. Who leads the constitutional benches in high courts? The senior most nominated judge. Which article empowers high courts to enforce constitutional rights? Article 199. Which committee nominates judges to hear specific matters in constitutional benches? The head of constitutional benches and 2 senior judges. Who remains chairperson of the JCP? The Chief Justice of Pakistan. How many SC judges are now part of the JCP? 3. इससे पहले ये 4 होते थे, अब 3 हो गए हैं. Which member's role was removed from JCP criteria? Former CJP or SC judge. What experience is required for the PBC nominated lawyer on the JCP? 15 years in SC practice. Who nominates the women or non-Muslim JCP member? The Speaker of the National Assembly. The proposed amendments to Article 175A mainly focus on the appointment of High Court judges. For High Court judge appointments, the most senior judge is replaced by head of constitutional benches. In Article 193, the minimum age for High Court judges has been changed to 40 years. इससे पहले ये 45 था, अब 40 हो गया है. The experience required for a person to be appointed as a High Court judge is 10 years as an advocate or Judicial office holder. या तो वो 10 साल के लिए कोई एडवोकेट रह चुका हो या वो 10 साल के लिए उसने कोई जुडिशल ऑफिस होल्ड किया हो. Under the amendments, High Court judge performance will be evaluated annually. The fourth schedule now includes the authority to impose local taxes in cantonment areas. The amendment to Article 259 replaces nursing with science and technology. Article 229 amendment allows advice to be sought from the Council of Islamic Ideology if requested by 1/4 of membership. यहाँ पर इस वीडियो को ख़त्म करने से पहले मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि इससे पहले जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का चीफ जस्टिस जो भी बंदा बन जाता था तो उसके लिए ये प्रोसीजर इन्वोक होती थी, ये प्रैक्टिस इन्वोक होती थी कि जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का सबसे सीनियर जज है तो वो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट का चीफ जस्टिस बन जाता था जब उससे पहला वाला चीफ जस्टिस रिटायर्ड हो जाता था. अब जो इन्होंने अमेंडमेंट की है तो उसमें ये है कि जो स्पेशल पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी है वो 12 बंदों पे मुश्तमिल है और जो 3 सीनियर मोस्ट जजेस हैं उन 3 में से किसी एक बंदे को वो नॉमिनेट करेगी और वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को भेजेगी, सिफारिश करेगी उसको, और जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर उसको अप्रूव करेगा तो तब वो चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान बनेगा. तो अब इसमें जो चेंज हो गया बेसिकली वो ये है कि जो सीनियर मोस्ट जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जज है वो लाजमी नहीं है कि वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का चीफ जस्टिस बन जाए. अब ये डिपेंड करता है पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी पे कि पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी उसको नॉमिनेट करता है या उसके बाद जो 2 सीनियर मोस्ट जजेस हैं उनमें से किसी एक को करता है.